The blues genre is known for its raw emotion, soulful melodies, and captivating guitar solos. It has the power to transform sorrow into triumph through its cathartic expression. For any music enthusiast or aspiring guitarist, understanding the roots of blues and its influential figures is essential. In this article, we will unveil the top 5 influential blues guitarists of all time who have left an indelible mark on both the genre and generations of musicians to come. Robert Johnson, the legend. Robert Johnson's life may have been shrouded in mystery, but his impact on blues music is undeniable. With haunting vocals and intricate fingerpicking style, he revolutionized Delta blues in the 1930s. His songs like Crossroad Blues and Love in Vain continue to inspire countless artists today. Why it matters? By exploring Robert Johnson's work, readers can gain insight into the origins of blues guitar techniques such as slide playing and complex chord progressions that laid a foundation for future generations. B.B. King, the King of Blues. B.B. King reigned supreme as one of the most influential blues guitarists throughout his career, spanning over 6 decades until his passing in 2015. Known for his distinctive vibrato technique and heartfelt phrasing, he captivated audiences with classics like The Thrill Is Gone. What readers can learn? Delving into B.B. King's legacy allows readers to understand how bending notes with precision and infusing emotions into each note creates a powerful connection between musician and listener. Jimi Hendrix, a trailblazer beyond boundaries. Jimi Hendrix transcended genres with his innovative approach to playing the electric guitar during the late 1960s psychedelic era while incorporating elements from various genres including rock, R&B, and of course, blues. His virtuosic solos in songs like Red House showcased his unparalleled talent. Why it's significant? By exploring Jimi Hendrix's contributions to the blues genre, readers can witness how experimentation with effects pedals, unconventional chord voicings, and improvisation can push the boundaries of traditional blues guitar playing. Stevie Ray Vaughan, the Texas Tornado. Stevie Ray Vaughan emerged as a force to be reckoned with in the 1980s blues revival. Combining elements of Albert King and Jimi Hendrix into his own style, he mesmerized audiences with lightning-fast licks and soulful bends. Tracks such as Texas Flood exemplify his mastery over both rhythm and lead guitar. What readers should take away? Understanding Stevie Ray Vaughan's technique enables readers to appreciate the importance of dynamics, precision in phrasing, and utilizing different scales for creating captivating solos that leave a lasting impact on listeners. Eric Clapton, the Godfather. Eric Clapton has rightfully earned his title as one of the greatest guitarists in history. From his early days with bands like Cream to his successful solo career spanning decades, Clapton has consistently pushed himself to new heights while staying true to the roots of blues music. Songs like Layla showcase his ability to blend rock and blues seamlessly. What sets him apart? Exploring Eric Clapton's work allows readers to grasp how versatility is key in becoming an influential guitarist by incorporating various styles while maintaining a distinct voice within each genre explored. Conclusion. The journey from sorrow to triumph is beautifully encapsulated through the works of these 5 influential blues guitarists: Robert Johnson, B.B. King, Jimi Hendrix, Stevie Ray Vaughan, and Eric Clapton. Each artist brings their unique style and contribution that continues shaping contemporary music today. By immersing oneself in their music, aspiring guitarists can learn valuable techniques, gain inspiration, and appreciate the transformative power of blues music. So pick up your guitar, dive into their discographies, and let the magic of these legendary musicians guide you on your own musical journey.